How to reset your Android device to factory settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Android device to factory settings. So this method varies from phone to phone and from company to company or brand to brand. So currently, as I have a OnePlus Nord N100, it will be different if you have some Samsung or other phones. So although it may be different, most of the aspects will still be similar. So first of all, what you'll have to do, whether you are on any device, is simply go to settings. And then in my case, since I have a OnePlus Nord N100, I'll simply have to go to system, and there you can see the reset option. But if you don't see it over here, simply go to search bar and then type in reset. Now go to reset options. After that, simply tap on it. Now you will be provided with various options, so you'll have to choose the option named factory reset or erase all data. Simply tap on it, and now if you want, you can erase all data, but if you want to keep your music, photos, videos and personal data and you don't want to reset them, simply untoggle this bar. But since we are here to factory reset our phone and want to make it as brand new, we'll simply tap on the option erase all data, and then you'll have to confirm by tapping the option confirm. Now enter the pin of your mobile device if you have any. Since I have, I'll simply enter it over here. And then once again, you will be taken to the erase all data page where you'll have to tap on the option erase all data, and then it will show restarting. So simply wait for it to complete, and now the logo will appear. And now as you can see, it is simply saying wiping, please wait. Do not remove battery or turn off your phone. So now as you can see, this device is resetting. So it will be reset to factory settings. So all you have to do is simply be patient and wait for it to complete. Now as you can see, my data has been completely wiped. So it is again showing me my logo. So wait for this to complete once again. And now this is the loading animation of OnePlus Nord. So wait for this to complete. And there you have it. So that was basically how you reset an Android device to factory settings. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.